Good morning, good afternoon to all the people. So today we will see about Harmony One. So Harmony One, why is it so interesting? See, this is one of the best projects in the crypto space, with lot of development happening, and most importantly, the price is currently at around 0.018 cents, and this is a sleeping giant. I don't know when this is going to wake up, but as a smart investor, if people understand a little bit of technology, they will start accumulating one for the next cycle. So that's what I advise to people. Watch out for the good protocols, accumulate when it's cheap, and sell when it is on top, right? So if you want more details about the technical aspect of how Harmony One works and what are the developments and what are the current bridges and everything that they have, the pluses and the minus parts, you please go visit my previous video about Harmony One news, which I posted some 10 12 days ago, this video, and that's called Harmony One news. I'll give my link. I'll give the link in this video as well. But where I see Harmony going from here, why I see Harmony is going to be the biggest one uh, from here on, since I'm telling you, this this project is one of the most talked about project in the previous bull cycle, and it had a lot of development. Just for one reason, it had $100 million hack. It got dumped from where it was, but as you all know, in my previous video I covered this. There are hacks in BNB. There were hacks in Ethereum long time back. That's the reason you had Ethereum Classic, and there are hacks, big hacks, and big chains as well, and Solana as well. So the numbers are quite big, but this just 100 million hack, for some reason this got dumped because of that. But given that all the issue is sorted now the cross chain bridge between the horizon as a new technology altogether, which is gonna take care of that feature. So that is none other than layer 0. So to give you a picture of what layer 0 is, Layer Zero is one of the Harmony strongly believes the cross-chain future, and they are getting a new cross-chain technology right now, which is Layer Zero, which will be supporting their Horizon bridge. So, few interesting points to cover here is from this June 23rd hack that I told you, which cost a loss of say about $100 million asset, but still Harmony strongly believes in the cross-chain function, right? The future technology. So what it is, they are partnered right now with Layer Zero. What is Layer Zero? So it is rapidly evolving, and to be very clear here, all these solutions seems to be strong and have demonstrated a considerable amount of user adoption. All right, the most I did see a very good point here. Here, Layer Zero is a omni-chain interpolability protocol specifically designed for lightweight message passing across blockchains. Okay, Layer Zero with its integration with Stargate Finance deployment was the fastest growing DeFi protocol, reaching around 4.4 billion TVL in 2 weeks post launch. Today, it has accrued over 500 million TVL across 7 blockchains: Ethereum, BSC, AVAX, Polygon, Arbiter, Optimism, and Phantom. Layer 0 is currently live on 16 mainnets and many more testnets. So, this Layer 0 is getting integrated with the Horizon Bridge within Harmony. So, that's a very good news. I see there is a strong backing at this point of time, and so Layer Zero is a dedicated team of builders who are constantly innovating and specializing in cross-chain technologies. Yes, we do understand that. And another important point, Layer Zero is committed-based bridging solution whose security rallies upon based on Oracle network. This Oracle network is none other than Chainlink, a decentralized Oracle. Well-backed operators like FTX, Polygon, and Sequoia use it. The main job of Oracle network is to validate and accept the cross-chain, as you all know. Yeah, there are some big names currently like Layer Zero coming into the picture. I see a very strong technical push for Harmony. So basically, so this strong push and is going to make a lot of developments within Harmony. In the context horizon, we have replaced the previous existing multi-swag validator layer with layer 0 validation. So this greatly reduces the risk as Harmony does not need to run or maintain backend infrastructure. as the two key pieces of infrastructure comprised of layer 0 validation. So the Oracle and the layer are professionally run and maintained by the third party operators. So the Oracle which is run is all maintained by the third party experts, which is a good sign. But I think this is quite big. This TVL, whatever layer 0 has achieved with other chains, it is running in 16 mainnets. Uh, that's a very strong partnership, and they are saying we are excited to partner with layer 0. On a realistic basis, all these partnerships in place, the real issue right now is the $100 million hack. I think there is a solution for it, and hopefully those things will all be addressed. But looking at all that, um, in terms of assets, DPEC tokens no longer will be supported by Horizon Bridge, and they will be replaced with new wrapped assets at the time of relaunch on Ethereum site, stable such as USDC, blah blah blah, and all these stable coins and bridged. That's also a good news. Okay, so pretty much with all this good news, with a great technology backing, and if you don't see any more further hacks, and technically it's very strong project. If you want to know about what they have done already in Harmony and what they have developed so far, what they have achieved so far, please go to my previous video. As I told you earlier, I'll give this link and you can have a look at it, and you can come back from the price perspective. Where do I see Harmony going from here? Harmony at the top of, say, about 38 cents. It's currently dead cheap. That's what I'm saying. It's a sleeping giant right now. I don't know where it's gonna go, but I clearly see this going out of 10 cents and 15 cents the next cycle when the next bull run starts, when Bitcoin starts moving from now on. And if I see Bitcoin going 25, 30,000, the first coins with fundamentals are gonna move, especially after so much of issues. Harmony is backed by huge supply. I do see some kind of pump coming for Harmony with 12 billion supply. A lot of whales already holding. I think there will be a definite push for Harmony, and it will definitely reach out to 14, 15 cents in the next cycle, next bull run. That is almost 10x right now. 10x is 10 to 15x. It's very easy as far as I'm concerned. So a minimum of 0 to 0.05 cents is what I'm seeing, which is also good money, 5x from here. And I see upside of say about 8 to 10 cents in the next cycle. So which is somewhere here. Once we break this, we go here, and after that, so there is a large, there is a big opportunity here. It might even go up to 15 20 cents. It again depends upon the news and how Bitcoin is going to behave and how the market is going to be, and it all depend upon the trend, right? So how the market feels. But basically, I see this as a very strong project. It has already seen the bottom, and from here on it's going to only move up once the market moves. So I predict this going up minimum of say about 10 cents from the in the next cycle. Minimum 5 cents, I'm sorry. From 5 cents it's going to go about 10 cents in a very short span of time. I'm not sure about the timeline. Could be before the next quarter. So if I start accumulating now till November, December, I'm going to see a very good profit in this project. Being it's a good project technically, and it is doing a lot of wonders. Go check my previous video, and how the transactions are processed, or the previous TVL whatever they had in the previous bull run. I think they were around 1.5 billion at that point of time. So there is a lot of scope for this project, and definitely this is going to move in this bull run. So have a look at this, guys. Please do your own research. Crypto is a huge risk, and don't take my words and put your money inside. I'm giving you all the ingredients. Have it in your table, analyze it with all my ingredients, and after that, eat the way that you want, and take your own, risk. Risk is always something that whenever you take, either it goes up or it goes low. But I think with the current state we are, where the crypto market is really down right now, it's flat, right? It's lying flat. So whatever you buy right now, the next cycle it's going to be at least 5 to 10x, and that's what I'm expecting. And my bags I'm holding in this in the same way that that whatever I told you. Do your own analysis, invest, guys. It's your hard-earned money, so make sure you do all your analysis and invest. Thanks so much. Hope this is helpful, and talk to you all soon. Thanks. Bye.